Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I am sorry that I have been a little MIA. I posted in the community tab thing that I had gotten sick. I got the flu. I had not been this sick in years. I was in the bed, couldn't get out of the bed. It was terrible. I'm pretty much good now though, thank goodness. I just still have a little cough, which you guys might end up hearing while I'm filming. I'm happy to be back and filming for you guys again. So today we're doing something super exciting. My beautiful friend Megan from Carrots and Flowers, she has a Facebook page, Instagram. I'm sure some of you guys know her. She is so talented and so amazing. I'll have all of her links down below, but she released her first cookbook and she sent me a copy. Let me show you guys. So the cookbook is so beautiful. It's so soft, the cover, and it's so pretty, and the pictures are amazing. It's 75 vegan dinners and they're ready in 30 minutes. So before we get into the recipes, I just want to talk a little bit more about her book. The book is absolutely stunning. I was flipping through it when I got it and I messaged her right away and I was like, Megan, this is amazing. The pictures are so beautiful. The recipes are so creative. There's all these different sections in here. Let me read you some of the titles. So there's fast, casual California cuisine, Southern comfort made simple, instant pan Asian, speedy home style Italian, elevated pub grub made easy, American food truck fare, which I think that might be my favorite chapter. Quick and easy Latin flair. And yeah, she has all these tips on how to cook quicker in the kitchen and how to multitask and what to use for staples if you don't have things like vegan Worcestershire, I can't even say that, and Cajun seasonings and all these cool things. So it's a really awesome cookbook. It comes out February 5th. I'll put the link down below for it. You can pre-order and get a little free ebook with 10 recipes in there, but I highly suggest you check it out because honestly, the recipes in here are just amazing. There were so many that I wanted to make. We're gonna make the red beans and rice, the tofu, Monte Cristo, and the buffalo cauliflower mac and cheese, but there's so many in here, the tofu pad see-ew. There is date night truffle mac and cheese, tiki masala tacos. She just has so many good recipes in here, and I just would suggest this to anybody, whether you're vegan or non-vegan, because I think they're really enjoyable things, and all the ingredients are easy to find, nothing weird. I'm not gonna obviously tell you guys the recipes, just kind of we're gonna hang out while I cook this stuff. So yeah, let me shut up, let's get cooking. All right, so I think we should start with the red beans and rice because it looks amazing. First things first, we have to get a saucepan and put olive oil in it and make some rice. Now I have this oil heating up and I have to add in a cup of rice. Whoa. And we have to saute the rice in the oil. Okay, so I toasted the rice and now I have to add in veggie broth. And I think then we just gotta let this rice cook regular. So I took the liberty of chopping some stuff off camera and now we are going to do a bunch of stuff in the pan. So first we have to turn our stove on and then we are going to add in some olive oil. Okay, so I added the olive oil in and then I have to put these sausages in. This makes 4 servings, so I'm gonna do it in half so I don't end up with 4 servings of this because I'm sure it'll be delicious, but that's just too many servings for me because I'm only one person. And we're just supposed to let these cook and get browned up. And then we're gonna add in some onion and garlic. All right, so I added in a bunch of veggies and now we have to add in a lot of seasonings. So I'm gonna do all of that right now. And this smells so good. All right, so this is a little strange, but we have to add in the kidney beans not drained. But I trust Megan and I trust what she does. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. We're almost done with the rice and beans. I'm just letting them cook for a little bit, and then the next thing I have to do is take some of the beans and peppers and blend them to make a paste. So this is a nice thick stew. What I will say is everything has been really easy to do so far. Everything has been very easy to do so far, easy to follow, and what I love is that Megan tells you to do one thing while doing another. So while this is cooking, I'm supposed to be doing something else. While it's simmering, I'm supposed to be doing something else. So you're just not wasting time. in the kitchen, which is something I have a little bit of an issue with because I like to take my time. So this is definitely helpful if you are somebody who just like kind of like can't get with it, kind of like me. I think I'm ready to put these in the blender now. She said to use a food processor. I don't have a food processor. Vitamix is gonna have to do the trick for me today. All right, so I got my cup of stuff to blend. I'm just gonna go blend it and do what she says to do. Now we have to add veggie broth and that pasty thing to the pan. So I just added in a little too much veggie broth, so I'm just letting that cook like an extra few seconds to thicken. Kitchen smells amazing. I already tasted it. It tastes so good. And it's like, oh, it looks amazing. It just looks like hearty and warm, which is perfect because it is cold and gross out. I'm so over winter. I'm so over winter. In all my infinite wisdom, I deleted the clips of the taste test of this. So I loved this. It had such good flavor. It definitely had that Cajun, New Orleans kind of feel to it. Like, I can't really explain it because it just had so much going on, but so many flavors, textures, colors. So good. Loved it. Had it for dinner tonight too. All right, on to our next recipe, this buffalo cauliflower and mac and cheese. Let me show you guys this picture. Like when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I need you in my life. So let's start. So I already preheated my oven. I put my cauliflower on a baking sheet and we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Cauliflower, done, going into the oven. Okay, so we just have to make a sauce now, and then we have to make the cheese. Oh, and I need to cook pasta. When does Megan say to cook pasta? Oh, the first step. Silly me. Okay, I'm gonna cook the pasta too. All right, cooking pasta and making sauce. Let's go. So when I was like trying to figure out what recipes I wanted to use in this video, because Megan has so many good ones, I was like, oh, I shouldn't do mac and cheese. Like that's so basic. But like I saw this mac and cheese and I just couldn't help myself. I'm also only doing half of everything again because this makes 4 to 6 servings. And as much as I would love 4 to 6 servings of buffalo cauliflower mac and cheese, I definitely do not need that. Roxy, oh my God, guys, she's getting so vocal. She didn't say anything for like first 2 weeks. I was like, wow, I can't believe how quiet she is. And now she won't shut up. Okay, so melting the vegan butter. I'm using Miyoko's because Miyoko's butter is so good. If you guys haven't tried this, I don't know what the heck you're waiting for, but get on it. Okay, then we just need to add a few extra things to the butter once it's melted, and then, yeah. Do you hear her? She sounds like a seagull. All right, so I made the hot sauce already. That's all done. That was really easy to make. Okay, so then the next thing we have to do is make this smoky buffalo cheese. First things first, I already did my cashews. She says to soak them overnight. I just boiled them for like 20 minutes before. Either way, just you need them to be soft for the blender. And we gotta add in nutritional yeast, everybody's favorite. Oh my God. Okay, this is so funny. So I've been missing like half of my measuring spoons. And I just stuck a spoon in there to scoop them out. And look what I found. Found my tablespoon. Oh, half a tablespoon. Great, perfect. Let's put that in there. Okay, tapioca starch. Why is it important? If you don't know by now, it makes things ooey and gooey and cheesy. So you need this. Then we have to add in more hot sauce to this. Yes, Megan, I'm loving it. You guys know I love spicy things. Then we need to add in some smoked paprika. I don't have that. I just have regular paprika. A little onion powder, garlic powder. I'm just gonna add the rest of the ingredients here and then we're gonna blend. All right, our shells are done cooking and now we can add in this cheese sauce. Look at this, yes. And then we're gonna put the heat on. And as this warms up, it is just going to get really, really thick. Is there anything better than a creamy cheese sauce? I mean, really. Who wants to come over and help me eat this? Oh my goodness, this is a beauty. See what I mean? How that tapioca starch just makes that goo up? Look at that. And then we have to add in a little bit of our hot sauce as well. I keep calling it hot sauce, buffalo sauce. Ooh. Yes, look at this. Oh, now the cauliflower is definitely done. I have to go get that. Oh my gosh, this is so good, guys, but I'm gonna add in this cauliflower now. All right, so I made a mountain of mac and cheese, like quite literally, and this looks amazing. Bella, shh, I need that for a picture, so I don't want to ruin it. So I'm gonna eat out of my pot. Real life. All right, let's try to get a little bit of everything. Some vegan ranch, some cauliflower. Okay. Yes. So good. I love the cauliflower in there too. They're just like perfect. It's like spicy, creamy, gooey, really good. All right. Last one. Let's do this. French toast, Monte Cristo with glazed tofu. Yeah. All right, so I started to cook the tofu already, and I just have it cooking in a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna add this glaze onto here. It has like apricot preserves, orange juice, soy sauce, so it's gonna be pretty darn good, I think. Now our tofu's cooking, and we're gonna make this French toast. So I could not find like thick bread. She suggests to use like a brioche. I couldn't find that, so we're just gonna use this like thick, like Italian bread from Trader Joe's. I haven't had French toast in so long. Actually, that's a lie. I had it recently because I went to Champ's Diner and I had French toast there. So I'm just dunking the bread into the batter, and I'm gonna heat up some vegan butter, and then we can cook these. All right, nice and sizzly, so let's just give this a little twirl, and we're gonna put our bread right in there. So this is almost done. I was supposed to put raspberry jam on here, and I didn't buy raspberry jam, so we're gonna put strawberry jelly. It's fine. Just really that there's some sort of a sweet, fruity component, you know? So we could just spread that. And I'm being careful because obviously this is really hot and I don't feel like burning myself right now. Then we're gonna put some vegan cheese on here. I'm using the one from Field Roast. And I'm in a bit of a time crunch, so I'm rushing. Like this. Okay, and now we're gonna put this tofu on here, which the tofu looks really good. I kind of burnt it a little bit more than I should have, but that's okay. And now we're just gonna put this on here, and we're gonna put a lid on it and just let this all get melted and warmed up. This came out amazing. It is perfect if you love sweet and savory together, because you're just getting that tofu and then the jam and the crispiness of the bread. It was so good. All right guys, so that was our video today. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you like cookbook reviews, if you want more of them. It was a lot of fun to do this, so I'm more than happy to do it. Like I said, all of the stuff to buy Megan's cookbook will be down below. I cannot recommend it enough. The recipes are easy, they're delicious, they're yummy. I know you guys are gonna love them. They're exactly like how I like to cook and eat. There's also a lot of healthy ones in there. I just kind of showcase the ones like the buffalo cauliflower mac and cheese and like the French toast. I couldn't pass up on that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really helps the channel out, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.